In the Mekong Delta, the coconut tree is part of daily life. Intertwining with the culture, cuisine, and economy, the coconut tree is called the tree of life, and it is one of the most useful trees in the world. Ben Tre province, with over 70,000 hectares, the capacity reaches over 600 million nuts per year, making up 40% of the total coconut areas in Vietnam. Ben Tre is considered Vietnam's coconut capital. Taking full advantage of fresh and high-quality raw coconut material from Ben Tre, LUONG QUOI Coconut Company was established in 1997 to increase the value of coconut through its unique products. Catching the trend of global high-end organic food consumption, LUONG QUOI Coconut has invested in developing organic coconut plantations that meet strict international standards such as USDA, EU, Just Organic certificates. Our experienced staff always accompany the farmers throughout the cultivation to ensure strict compliance with the organic standards. Building and developing organic coconut plantations is a long-term and sustainable strategy to improve farmers' lives. Learning from ancestral experiences and skillfulness, farmers harvested coconut in many different ways to follow the culture of coconut homeland. Coconut is carefully and quickly transported to the factory to keep the freshness and the nutrition thanks to the flow of the Mekong River. Understanding the importance of raw materials affecting the quality of output, LUONG QUOI Coconut invested heavily in factories and state-of-the-art equipment to optimize costs and ensure the best product quality. After preliminary treatments, the coconuts are moved to the production lines to refine into various products. The production is strictly controlled following food safety regulations to keep all nutrients and refreshing flavor are preserved in the final products. Product quality of LUONG QUOI Coconut is controlled by advanced quality management systems like BRC, GSV, WCA, IFS, ISO 22000, ISO 17025, HACCP, Halal, and Kosher. Coconut is harvested at the right age and carefully selected various high-added value products, including coconut water, coconut milk drink, extra virgin coconut oil, refined coconut oil, toasted coconut chips, coconut flour, coconut butter, and so on. With the desire to bring Vietnamese products to consumers globally, LUONG QUOI Coconut has continuously invested in developing products and promoting brand image. Besides providing OEM brands for the world-renowned clients, we also market our own brand like Vietcoco in Vietnam. Our products are available in more than 50 countries, including USA, Canada, Europe, Australia, Japan, South Korea, etc. LUONG QUOI Coconuts always complies and improves the motto of safety, quality, responsibility to sustainable development. Sustainable development is the most critical policy in our business strategy because we believe that it will guarantee tremendous success and do not compromise future generations. LUONG QUOI Coconut's vigorous development today is proof of our entire team members' efforts. We not only process available raw materials but also nurture coconut sources in Vietnam. It's a change of resonant values that LUONG QUOI Coconut Company always cherishes and nurtures to make the best products. The source of energy and enthusiasm for Vietnamese coconut trees will continue to be promoted and extended further by successive generations.